If you want to level up your creative career or your business and you don't have a website, take it from me, you need a website. The reason is because a website, unlike some random social media page, is truly your own. You can curate and present your work in an orderly, organized fashion. You can present yourself as a properly branded, serious business, and your clients can find you and see the whole spectrum of the work and the value they are offering without any fear of, let me say, getting shadow banned or deleted like I have suffered on Instagram. It just makes sense as a brand, as a business, to own your own website. And if your business is still in the infancy stage like mine is, then you might not be in a position to spend tons of money just yet on like a website designer or someone like that. So I have found a way for you to create your own e-commerce portfolio, whatever kind of website that you want. I was able to do a website for free with no code. I'm not a coder. I don't know how to do coding. I don't know any of those things, but I was able to use Wix. Yes, I used Wix and I got myself a decent looking portfolio website, and I'm taking you through that website in this video and also telling you why you need a website and how to go about getting your own free no code website. In case it's the first time you're seeing my content, hi, my name is Sky. Welcome to my channel, and over here I create content around creativity, lifestyle and productivity. So if you like what you see and you enjoy this video and my other content here, please subscribe. Alright, let's get into the video. So for those who don't know, I'm a photographer. I do primarily product, portrait and lifestyle photography, and I also own a jewelry business. So I've been managing my content and my work on Instagram and Behance. And even though those places are great for marketing, and that's a great way for you to get discovered by clients and also kind of build a community and a following, the truth is that Instagram is very, very limited. I don't know about you guys, but for me, I've not had luck with Instagram. They've either deleted my page or shadow banned me, and I'm a Nigerian who lives between Nigeria and Ghana. So if you know anything about this region, we have issues with making payments. So running ads is just a pain in the neck. And I've more or less given up on my Instagram pages, you guys. I'm going to leave my Instagram pages on the screen so you can go and see what I have going on there. Not much is happening, and to be honest, I just kind of got demotivated to keep putting on content there and not getting any form of result back. Behance is another platform that I discovered I think a few years ago, and it's just amazing. It's like the next best thing in case you don't want to kind of get into a website just yet. If you're a creative person or do any sort of creative work or business work, Behance is a platform that you can use to showcase your work without having the issues that Instagram has. Like, you don't have to worry about engagement as much. Plus, you can also see other people's work, so it's a great source of inspiration if you're a creative person. But again, these are not exactly like a website. A website is way better for you if you're a creative person, because one, you own the platform, you own the content on there, you can get your domain name, and you know that everything you have, everything you put out there is secure on a platform that you yourself have chosen. You can design your websites however you want to best showcase your work, and you're not afraid of anything getting taken down just for no reason. Also, clients seem to take people who have websites more seriously. I don't know about you. If you're a creator, let me know if you have this experience. So sometimes you're trying to pitch your business and then someone asks you, okay, cool, you're a photographer, you're a videographer, whatever, let me see what you've done. And before now, I used to feel some kind of way sharing my Instagram handle for them to go and look at, because one, I don't have tons of followers, and in my experience, when they see that you don't have plenty of followers, for some reason it kind of makes them think that you're not like a serious photographer. It's unfortunate, but that's what it is. But having a website, I don't have that problem. I know that there they can see all that I can do. They can see the full spectrum of my work and the kind of value that I'm offering, and it makes you look more organized and more put together, unlike some Instagram page that has 20 followers like I do. Also, if you're a creative person who kind of has a variety of service or products or skills that you offer, a website will be able to help you separate and organize those things so that someone can look at them and understand what you're about without the clash. Me, I've had to even separate my Instagram pages because, like I said, I do like a bunch of different types of photography, so it was very chaotic to put them all on one page. I don't know, I just felt like it wasn't really organized. So I have all my products and beauty portraits on one page, and then I have my events, lifestyle type photography on the second page, like a more commercial type work on my on like a second page, which is not the most ideal thing, because again, why am I having two Instagram pages? But on the website, I have everything under one umbrella. Then the website is also great for you to sell your product, so you can easily integrate shopping, you can easily integrate feedback, you can build a following via newsletters, via subscription. There are so many things you can do on a website that you can't exactly do easily on some Instagram page. So I hope I've convinced you enough. In case you don't have a website, please invest in a website today. It will help your business, it will help your brand, and you'll be taken more seriously, generally speaking. As soon as I decided to get the website built myself, I kind of looked through a few options of website builders that I could use for free, and Wix came recommended. A few friends have used Wix. I know of WordPress, I know of Squarespace, and there are like a bunch of other options that you can use. But I just wanted to try Wix. I haven't used Wix before. I've used only Blogger and WordPress in the past, but I wanted something new to try, so I chose Wix. Apparently Wix is very great for, they have good templates first of all, and their templates seem kind of modern and stylish and easy, and they've separated the themes and templates into different categories. So for me, I wanted like a portfolio template. There are templates for e-commerce and personal website, whatever you need really. They have quite a few options on there, so I chose a template, or let me say I went through the templates that they had for portfolio websites, and I then chose something that I felt like was good for me. Wix is very easy to use. It's a very easy to use website builder where they offer you everything from domains to templates to web management, and they have tons of plugins and features that you can use for free. They do have payment plans from basic to premium, and they are pretty affordable. I saw basic plans for some $5 per month upwards. I mean for the portfolio website. For e-commerce, because the needs are a little unique, I think the prices there are a little higher, but overall I feel like their prices are quite decent. So signing up on Wix is very easy and straightforward. You just need an email address, and that's it. Once you confirm your email, you can then log in and go through the themes that they have depending on what you need it for. I wanted a portfolio template, so I went and went through what they had on there, and then chose the one that I felt was okay for what I wanted, and then I went ahead to edit what they had on there. By the way, you guys, this is not like a tutorial. If you want a tutorial on how I did this from scratch, or how you can do it from scratch step by step, let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to take you through everything, but I'm just showing you what I have done for myself and my business. I'll be leaving a link to this my portfolio website in the description box, so you can go and see what I've done on there. But once you get to the home page, everything is pretty straightforward. My company name is there, and I've kept a few pages, kept it very simple. You can see a welcome picture once you open it. I feel like this picture, I'm not 100% okay with it, but I feel like that's what I have for now, and it's impactful and simple. And then from the home page, you can see portfolio. Like I mentioned, I do quite a bunch of different types of photography, which is why I felt like I should break them down so that it's easy for a client to see all that I offer. So I have products and commercials in one, I have weddings and couples, and then I have portraits. I saw some other websites where they didn't need to do this. Like if you're a photographer or creator or video editor or graphic designer or whatever you are, and you don't need this, all these are optional. You can edit everything. Like I edited all of this and chose all of this. You don't have to. So I have all three parts of my work split into separate categories so someone can see, and then the service that I offer, and then my about page, and then my contacts for people to reach me in case they wanted to, and then I kind of put a page for a blog, because going through other like wedding photographers, mostly wedding photographers, I saw that they had blogs where they kind of broke down the experiences shooting different couples and different projects. Like for some creators who are like video editors or creative directors, I see that they keep a blog where they break down and explain what they're doing or how they came about their projects, and I like that idea. So I've kept a page for blogs where I feel like I'll talk about my project going forward, and it's a great place for your audience or visitors to see and read more about your work and know what your point of view is, and you can also then build like some sort of a following or subscription in case you like that. So that's my little portfolio website that I built with Wix. I know it's not like 100% perfect, and I have some tweaking left to do, and I feel like it's not 100% responsive to mobile. Like after I designed this. I keep checking on mobile, and I think I need to tweak the mobile version a little bit. I don't know if it's just me or that's a general Wix problem. I did see a few complaints online that Wix might not be the most mobile responsive platform. Again, I have not really exhausted all the design options that they have. It could even be like a template problem, I'm not sure. But for now, I feel like this is a working website that I've built, no code and no fees, and I feel like it's a great beginner website for anybody, a creator or a business person. So yeah, check the description bar for a link to my website so you can see what I've done so far. And let me, I'm very pleased. I'm very pleased with how it came out, and I haven't done any blog design or web design for a very long time, so I'm happy to see that I still have it and I was able to do this. And a client can then ask me, oh, let me see your portfolio, and I won't be sending them some random Instagram page or Behance page. Leave me a comment letting me know what you think of this type of content, if you enjoyed it, and what you think about my websites. I know it's not great, but let me know what you think after you've gone to visit. And yeah, I'm happy to bring more of this kind of content to you guys here on the channel, and please subscribe in case you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.